am available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problem Solving.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we are taking XP19 in Assess Chapter 2 HUE Assessment Drama Club. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can turn your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Assess, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python and many more online courses. I am also handling many students courses from USA, Canada and many more countries on Pearson, Cengage, Blackboard and many more colleges, universities and schools. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step, focusing on the title of assignment XP19 Assess Chapter 2 HUE Assessment Drama Club 1.0. You can see this title of assignment. Now moving on the project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. Okay. Now moving on question number 1. In question 1, start assess, open the download assess, file name XP19 Assess Chapter 2 HUE Assessment Drama Club. Okay, grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Save the files to the location where you are storing your files. Okay, basically in this question we will have to download assess file from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can download this file easily from your Pearson portal. I have also downloaded this file from my Pearson portal. I am going to show you a assess file that's a download from my Pearson portal. Okay, you can download easily from your Pearson portal. Now moving on question number 2. In question number 2, open the donation XLS Excel workbook. Okay, you will examine the data in the downloads Excel worksheet to determine which fields will become the primary key in the table and which fields will become the foreign key, so that you can join it to the existing table in the database. Open the donation XLS Excel workbook, examine the data and close the workbook. You will import the Excel workbook that contains donation information into the database. Click the external data tab, click new data source, point the form file in the import and click group and then select Excel. Navigate to and select the donation XLS workbook to the important as new table in the current database. Ensure the first row containing columns heading is selected. Set the donation field index open to yes, no duplicate. Select the donation ID as the primary key when promoted and accept the table name donation. Do not save the import steps. Basically in this question, first we will open the donation XLS Excel workbook, examine the data and then close the workbook. Then you will import the Excel donation that contain donation information into the database. Okay, first we will click on the external data tab and then click on new data source and point moving on assess file, click on external data tab. Okay, click on new data source, click on from files, click on Excel file. Okay, you can import this file XML file or okay, click on Excel file. Okay, then click on browse and then we will browse this file where you saved in your PC. I am browsing this file that's I saved in my PC, this folder. I am browsing this file. You can see donation file, click on open. Simply click on open. Then click OK, import and link group, then select Excel, navigate to select the donation XLS workbook to the import as a new table to the current database and show the first row containing a column heading and select then donation ID field index open yes, no donation. Select donation as the primary key when promoted and accept the table name donation. Do not save the import steps. Okay, you can read this instruction and then I am following this instruction on my assess file. You can see this. Click on OK. Then first row and first column. OK. then click on next, and then field name is donation, index yes, duplicates, index is yes, no duplicates, select this yes, no duplicates index, and then do not import step, then choose my own primary key is donation ID, then click on finish. Okay, save import step, do not save import step. Okay, click yes, this is good. Now you can see I have done this question. Now moving on question number 3. In question number 3, change the data type of donation ID field to short text in design view of the donations table. Set the field size of donation to 5. Set the field size of donation ID to long integer. Save the changes and open the table in datasheet view. Close the table. Basically, in this question, we will change the data type of donation ID field to short text in design view of donation table. First, we will open this donation table, and then we will change the data type of donation fields to short text. Okay. Moving on access file and simply open this donation table. Okay, now we will change the view in, go to the view tab and then open in design view. Okay, now we will change the field of donation ID field to short text. We will change this field of donation ID to short text. Okay, moving on access file, click on donation ID field, then click on data type. We will change this data type to short text. Okay, you can see this. I have changed this donation ID field to short text data type. Now, please follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video. Now set the field size of donation ID to 5. Now we will have to set the field size of donation ID to 5. Click on donation ID field and then go to the field size and then set 5 field size. Okay, click on donation ID field and go to the field size. Here is field size, you can change this 5. Okay, this is good. Now then set the field size to donation to long integer. Okay, field size of donation to long integer. Save the changes and open the table in datasheet view. Close the table. Okay, now we will set the field size of donation to long integer. Okay, field size. Okay, general number format is long integer. Click on field size and then we will select this long integer. You can see this. Click on field size box and then you can click here and then we will select long integer. Okay, this is good. Now save the changes and open the table in datasheet view. Okay, right click on this and then save, press OK. Then open this table in datasheet view, go to the view tab and then click on datasheet view and then close this. This is good. Now I have done this question very well. Please follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video. Now moving on question number 4, you can read this question number 4 and then I will apply on my access file. Create a new table. First you will create a new table that will enable to club the associate each donor who agrees to volunteer with dates in the database. Create a new table in design view. Add the following fields in design view and set the properties as specified. Add the primary key field as volunteer ID. Okay, with the auto number data type and then number assigned to new volunteer activity as the description. Set the caption properties to volunteer ID. Basically in this question we will create a new table in design view. Okay, then we will add the following fields in design view and then set the properties as specified. Okay, first is that add the primary key field as volunteer ID with auto number data type and then number assigned to a new volunteer activity. Okay, as the description. Set the caption properties to volunteer ID. Okay, moving on access file, we will click on create tab and then click on table or create a new table. First we will click on create a table, new table and design view. Click on create and click on table design view. Okay, this is table design. Then table will be created in design view. Then add the following field in design view as the set properties is specified. Okay, first is that add the primary key field as volunteer ID with the auto number data type. You can copy this volunteer ID. First field is that we will add this field. You can here volunteer ID, and then data type is short text data type. We will select here short. Sorry, you can read this auto number data type. So auto number data type. Okay, first I have added this field volunteer ID fields, and then I have add this data type auto number data type. Okay, then number assigned to a new volunteer activity as the description. We will have to add a description of this field. Okay, click on description box and click on primary key first, and then we will click on description box, and then we will tab description, or you can copy and then paste this description in the description box. Number assigned to a new volunteer activity, you can copy this, and then we will add this description in the description box for primary key. Okay, this is good. Now you can see first I have added this field volunteer ID, and then I have set this data type for auto number data type for volunteer ID fields, and then I have added here description number assigned to a new volunteer activity. I have set description here. Now for primary key, then we will click on primary key, and then we will add here description for this field. Now you can see this. Now set the caption properties to volunteer ID. Now we will have to set the caption for this field. Okay, caption is that volunteer ID. You can copy this caption, or you will add you will tab is click on the volunteer ID fields, and then click on caption. Here is caption. Now we will add caption in here. You can see this. Now we will have to add caption. Volunteer ID is caption. Okay, this is good. Now this question is done. Now you can see this. Moving on, question number 5. In question number 5, okay, add donor ID with the number data type and donor volunteer as the description. Set the caption properties to donor ID and then required property to yes. Okay, basically in this question we will add a new field is donor ID with number data type, and then we will set data type of this donor ID field to number data type, and then tab donor volunteer as the description. Okay, first we will copy this donor ID. Moving on access file, we will add the second field is donor ID. Okay, number data type for this field, we will tap here donor ID, go to the number data type box. Okay, right click on this and then select number data type for this donor ID field. Oh, here is number data type for this donor ID fields. This is number format for this donor ID data type. Okay, then donor volunteer as the description. Okay, now we will have to copy this donor volunteer and then go to the access file, then click on description box, and then we will add this description donor volunteer. Okay, this is good. Now click on description box, and then we will have to add this description for this donor ID fields. Volunteer donor volunteer is description for donor ID field. Now next is that set the caption properties to donor ID. Now we will have to copy this donor ID, then we will go to the access file, then click on caption properties, click on this field donor ID, and then we will click on caption box, and then we will have to add here caption. You can see this, I am adding this caption is here. Okay, donor ID, this is good. Now the required properties to yes, click on required properties box, and then click set here yes. Okay, this is good. Now I have done, yes, I have done this question very well. Please follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quiz and complete course on my WhatsApp and email. If you do not ever do this assignment, you can contact me. I will do this complete assignment for you with A+ grade. Now add volunteer date with the date time data type. Okay, set the caption properties volunteer date, switch to data sheet view and save the table as volunteer dates. When promoted, you will enter data into table in a later step. Close the table. Basically in this question we will have to add a new field is volunteer date. You can copy this. Okay, we will have to copy this volunteer date, click on new field box, and we will have to add a new field here is volunteer date, and then we will have to add a data type. Set data type is date time. Okay, we will have to add a new field is volunteer date, then click on data type box, then we will have to add a set a date time data type for this volunteer date. Now okay, Okay, caption properties volunteer data. Volunteer date. Now we will set the caption properties to volunteer date. You can copy this. Okay, you can see I have to copy this volunteer date. Now moving on assess file, and then we will have to add this caption properties volunteer date. We will have to add a caption properties. Is click on caption property box, and then we will have to add, here is caption properties box, and then we will have to add there volunteer date for this volunteer date fields. Okay, now switch to datasheet view and save the table as volunteer dates. Okay, switch to datasheet view, moving on assess file, then we will switch to datasheet view. This table, go to the view tab, click on datasheet view, and then click on yes, and then we will save this table as volunteer dates. Okay, we will have to copy this volunteer dates, and then we will save this table as this name volunteer dates. We will have to save this table as volunteer dates. Okay, copy this volunteer dates name, and then we will have to save this table as volunteer dates. Okay, rename this table as volunteer dates, and then click OK, then click OK. When promoted, you will enter data into the table and later step close the table. Right click on this table and then save it, and then close it, and then when promoted, save and close it. Okay, this is good. Now moving on, next question is question number 7. In question number 7, add all three tables to the relationship window. Identify the primary key field in the donors table and join it with its foreign key counterparts in the related donation and volunteer dates table. Select the enforce referential integrity and cascade update related fields check boxes. Save and close the relationship window. Basically, in this question we will create a relationship between this relationship window between this three table. Okay, add three tables to relationship window, then identify the primary key fields to donor table and then join with its foreign key counterparts in the related donation and then volunteer dates tables. Okay, click on external data, click on data tools, and then click on add tables. First we will add this table, donation table. Click on relationship design for donation table, and then second is that volunteer dates. Click on relationship design and then click on add table. First table is donation and second table is volunteer dates, and then we will have to add a third table. Third table is that you can read the instruction and you can follow on this for third table. Okay, we will create this relationship between these two tables, donation click on create, press OK, donation and donor ID, then cross it, relationship will be created. Set the enforce relation integrity and cascade update related fields check boxes. Donor ID, donation ID, you can see this. I am creating this relationship between these two tables. Close it. Okay, click yes. Okay, this is in the design view. Click on primary key. Okay, please follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video. First we close this table. Now we will create a relationship. Okay, I am handling many students courses on Pearson, Sandwich, Blackboard and many more colleges and universities. Please follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video. We will close this all tables. Okay, Click on data toolbars, click on relationship design, and then click add tables. Now I am creating a relationship between these three tables. First table is donation, and add second table is donors, and third table is volunteer dates. Sorry, I was done before. This question is wrong. Now I am doing this correct. First we will create a relationship between these three tables. First table is donation, second table is donors, and third table is volunteer dates. Okay. Simply go to the relationship design, go to the add tables. We will have to add this all table, donation, donor, and volunteer dates, and then we will create a relationship between these three tables. Okay. Identify the primary key fields in the donor table and join with this foreign key counterparts in the donors ID. Click on them. You can see on my PC screen I am creating a relationship between enforce refractional integrity, and then first we will click on this box enforce refractional integrity, and then click on this box cascade update related fields. Okay. Please follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video. I will provide you A+ grade. Then close it. Create. Click on create. Relationship will be created. You can see on my PC screen. Please follow my video, and if you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do complete assignment for you with A+ grade. Now relationship volunteer ID and donors. Click on create and force refractional integrity cascade update related fields, and click on create. Okay, this relationship will be created. Save and close the relationship window. Check box and save and close the relationship window. Right click on this, save, and right click on this. Okay, you can see this. I have done 85% of this assignment. For remaining question, and if you want to do it for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Please add me for your weekly quizzes, add me for your weekly assignments, add me for your exams, and for complete course. I will provide you A+ grade and very reasonable prices. I am also handling many students courses on Pearson, Cengage, Blackboard, and many more colleges, universities, and schools. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much. Best of luck.